In this video, I'm gonna show you how I find profitable CPA marketing campaigns fast. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. My name is Damien Belak, and today I'm gonna show you a relatively secret website where I personally find profitable CPA marketing campaigns. Now, I'm pretty sure that you haven't heard of this website before, and if you're someone that has trouble with launching CPA marketing campaigns, and you simply can't find that perfect campaign and make profit, then make sure to watch this video because it's gonna be super helpful. Now, I'm not gonna waste any more time. Make sure to smash the like button below and subscribe if you're new. And with that being said, let's dive into my computer. So the website where I find profitable CPA marketing campaigns and I gained most of my knowledge regarding CPA and affiliate marketing is called affiliate.com. Now, affiliate.com is an affiliate marketing forum. Here, you will find various case studies, traffic methods. You'll also find courses once you join. Now, you can sign up with a free account, but what I recommend, guys, is to sign up for a paid account. Now, it's super affordable, and in just a second, I'm gonna show you what's inside this forum. So with just $20 per month, or with a lifetime membership of $350, you'll get premium access to the forum, affiliate guides, follow-alongs, case studies, a beginner's course, and more. And on affiliate.com, I actually find many profitable campaigns that I've been publishing on my YouTube channel over the past couple of years. And as you can see down here, it has over 123,000 active members. So this is just to show you how good this forum is. Now, it's not just any type of forum. Let me show you guys what it looks like in the back end once you have an account. So once you sign up, you can click on forum right here, and this is what the back end looks like, okay? So first of all, you have your forums page. And also you can post on this forum yourself as well. And on the forums page, when you scroll down, you'll find some sections. For example, you have the launch section with announcements, introductions, a general chat, how to get started, a public section, conferences, and a marketplace. And when you scroll down, you can see a category traffic methods. Here you find threads about pops and redirects, push notifications, native ads, social traffic, search engine marketing, and even email and SEO. And when you click on one of these that interests you, all right, if you're, for example, into pop under and push notifications like me, then all you have to do is just click on pops and redirects. And also you get access to two very good courses, right? These are up-to-date courses. So a beginner's course if you're brand new to CPA marketing, and an intermediate course. I'm going to talk about these courses in just a second, but first of all, I want to jump into the forums and into traffic methods, which is pops and redirects. And when you scroll down here, you will find threads. For example, Luke Kling, which is the creator of affiliate.com, today added a thread, propeller ads, promo codes of February 2025. So if you're actively testing brand new campaigns and utilizing, these advertising networks and CPA networks or even tracking tools, then just by signing up, you'll get a bunch of promo codes that will save you a lot of money. So these are one of many bonuses what you get when you sign up, guys. And this is why I personally am a member. There are many bonuses, and if you click on this post, right, by Luke Kling, you'll find the bonuses. So for example, there's zero remaining here, $75 bonus on your $500 deposit, existing advertisers, and if you're a new advertiser, you can get a $50 bonus on your first deposit of $150. All right, so this is absolutely awesome, and you can utilize all of these different promo codes, and not just from propeller ads, but you will find many other promo codes that will save you a lot of money. Now, what I wanted to show you guys is the value that Affiliate really provides, and that is all of these different types of threads. And you'll find many valuable threads that you can learn from. For example, today, this person right here added a Zaydoo and pop ads failures, right? So he spent $30 on ads, and it's a free lesson for beginners, right? What to do, what not to do. So when you click on it, and you can see that this person right here is writing a thread that he used Zaydoo and pop ads and spent $30 and basically what he learned from this campaign. Now, more importantly, you will find follow alongs, right? So here you can see follow along, add cash plus CPA role desktop push collection. And on this thread, Luke Ling, right, the owner, is running a new campaign, and he is sharing his thoughts and basically the stats. So as you can see, he's been running a push notification campaign using the advertising network Galaxian. And he is using the CPA network CPA role, which I also actively use and I'm a big fan of. So as you can see, people share their results, campaigns, and offers they are testing, and they basically give them out for free for you to test as well. You can also find specific threads and articles based on a specific keyword. So you can click on what's new, right? Click on a new posts, and you can filter these posts with a specific keyword and click on case study. You can click on filter, and here you'll find all case studies that have been posted lately. So for example, today's case study is posted by ClickAdoo, and you can check out this casino campaign case study. Now let's check out the push notifications section, and you can filter by prefix, and you can select case study, a guide, a follow along, or official. I like to search for case studies because I find these the most valuable. So I'm gonna click on case study, and you will find many case studies that might interest you. For example, analyzing push notifications CTR. So once again, on the affiliate marketing forum section, you will find hot threads, most viewed, right? You can filter these by latest posts and search for all of these different types of sections that may interest you. Now, when you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will also have access to courses, right? First of all, you'll have access to a beginner's course 2.0. And when you open it, you can see that this is a full course about CPA marketing. So total of 16 lessons. So this is a beginner's course, super valuable. You also have access to intermediate course 2.0, which is a course for people that have experience with CPA marketing. So as you can see, how to choose a vertical, what offers to run, and these courses are up to date. They're not like 2020 courses. These are 2024 courses, guys. These are like 1-year-old courses. So these are still relevant, they're still up to date, and I myself went through all of them and found lots of value. So guys, you can see the value of this forum, and not many people actually know about it, and it's not really promoted on YouTube or anything. So if you're a CPA marketer, or you're testing campaigns on the side, or you want to be serious with affiliate marketing, then I would recommend you to join. You will find lots of golden nuggets. And if you have unanswered questions, then I'm pretty sure you're going to find answers to them on this forum. You'll also have a chat section, which is super helpful. You can just sign up and you can write a public message, and most of the times you're going to receive an answer instantly. So if you have any questions or you're facing issues, then you can just head over to the chat section and write a public message, and I'm pretty sure someone's gonna help you out. Now you'll also find the directory section right here. So when you click on it, you can search these by traffic sources, tracking tools, buy tools, landing page builders, affiliate networks, programs, and VPNs, and other. So for example, if you don't know which tracking tool to use, you can click on tracking tools, then you can check out the reviews, and most of the times you'll also find a promo code, as I mentioned. So one of the most popular ones are CPA Lab Pro, Binom, BMOB, so you can click on them and you can sign up using their promo code. So as you can see, this is the pricing, and there you guys go, promo code for CPA Lab Pro. Also, if you don't know what traffic source to use, click on traffic sources, and this also varies by the vertical that you want to go into. So make sure to check if your traffic is suitable for your vertical, because for example, Adstera is great for verticals like VPNs, utilities, and more. So make sure to double check if your traffic source is suitable with your vertical. But basically, once again, you'll find the most popular advertising networks in this category: Propeller Ads, Adstera, Pop Ad, like the most popular ones. I've actually tested many advertising networks, and right now I'm actually testing Galaxian's Pop on the traffic, so you guys can expect a case study in the very near future. You can also click on what's new. You can search for new posts, right? New media. When you click on new posts, here you'll find like posts that are the most recent. And once again, here you will find updates, news, follow-alongs, case studies, promo codes, and more. And as I mentioned, when you click on promo codes up here, you can scroll down and here you will find various different promo codes to traffic sources. So as you can see, Galaxian, Roller Ads, MyBid, Rich Ads. When you scroll down, you'll find Spy Tools, promo codes so you can sign up, which can really save you a lot of money. So the value of this forum is absolutely insane. It's not just a forum, it's an amazing community of like-minded people where you can learn inside using the courses, and you can also find case studies and message other forum members. So guys, I find a lot of value by using Athlift every single day, especially since it's only $20 per month. You'll get access to courses, a community of like-minded people with over 120,000 members, and you'll find the latest case studies, promo codes, updates. So guys, if you're looking to start affiliate marketing or CPA marketing utilizing free or paid marketing strategies, then I highly recommend you guys sign up to this forum. It's super helpful. You'll find a lot of information on this forum that you will not find online on free forums. And the best part is that you are in a community with over 120,000 members that are working towards the same goal, and that is to make money. And you can also message me if you want on this forum. This is my username. I'm also going to be adding more case studies and threads on Athlift myself in the future. And if you want to sign up, you can use the link in the description below this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found value in this video. This is how I find profitable CPA marketing campaigns for my online business.